Okay, part 3. Starting where I left off before the video ran out. For this part that we already completed, you will need 4 magnets, 2 on the pocket and 2 on the back of this piece. That way it keeps it closed. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. And we're going to go to the other side. This will be for the left-hand side of the book, which is the 8.5 by 6.5. And for this one, you need a base page, which is 8 1/4 by 6 1/4. Then you're going to need 2 pieces that are 8 1/4 by 7. And you're going to score those 2 pieces on the 7-inch side at 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. And then you're going to fold them down. Again, I don't know why I keep saying that. Anybody who's used a scoreboard knows you have to fold them. And it will give you that 1/4 inch gasset. So we're going to score both of these up, or fold both of these up. God, I'm just tripping over all my words tonight. And you're going to glue 1 piece on the left and 1 piece on the right. Now that these are glued on, this is what you have. You're going to close them up. And we're going to grab the next one, which is this piece. It's 8 3/4 by 6 1/4. And on the 8 3/4 side, you're going to score at 4 1/8 and 8 1/4, which will leave you with a piece of paper that you fold like this. And then you're going to add glue to the piece of paper on that small score line. And you're going to glue it to the top of this left flap. So you have this that opens up like this, then this one that opens like this, and this one that opens like this. Then you're going to grab the other piece of paper that you have, which is 8 1/4 by 6 1/4. You're then going to take the bottom where this piece of paper folds at. You're going to take that piece and you're going to cover that whole bottom square in glue. This is where your easel page comes in. And you're going to glue the bottom of this piece of paper right there to that piece of paper. And that's where you get that. You're going to flip that up Then you're going to have a piece of paper that is 7 1/4 by 3 1/2. You're going to score all 3 sides, or sorry, 3 of the 4 sides. And you're going to cut those corners. Then you're going to glue those down. To the same page that you glued down your easel to. So your easel will then stand up. Then you're going to take the other piece of paper that is 7 1/4 by 2 inches, and you're going to score 1/2 inch on 3 sides, and then cut those corners off. And then you're going to glue this pocket down right at the very bottom of the easel page. That way, whatever you decide to put in on that easel page when you're using this folio, you have a small pocket to hold it in. And that is it for this. I didn't use magnets on this part this time because I ran out of magnets, but usually I would put magnets here, 2 magnets, and then 2 magnets on the back of this. And I also decorate this after I add magnets there. And you can also put a magnet behind the easel page and here. But that's totally up to you. I don't always do that. And now we're going to take and stop this video here before it gets to the cutoff point. And I will make another one adding these into the book. Thanks for watching.